I'm going to show you how to connect a TCL Google TV to a laptop just like this, as you can see. So let's get started. You're actually going to need an HDMI cable, okay, which has two ends, the other end and the other end. So one end goes into the TV, okay, then the other goes into the laptop. One side of the HDMI cable goes into the HDMI slot of the PC. So input the HDMI cable right there. The other end goes into the TV, the TCL Google TV. Place it into HDMI 1 slot right there. Okay, please be sure to put it in the right way. Now get your TV remote, press the input button right there to change inputs, then move to HDMI 1, and there you go. What is actually being displayed on the laptop is the same being displayed on the TCL Google TV. Yeah, please make sure you come to the laptop and make sure that you can actually change this by pressing F4 to duplicate when you have two screens showing, or extend, or the PC only, or all that. Okay, change that according to your preference. Okay, but there you go, you have actually connected the TCL Google TV to a laptop using an HDMI cable, and that's it. Subscribe if you pick fun in the video.